Now we are going to know about what is grain direction. Look at it, it is only applicable for a sheet metal design. If you have a sheet metal, we just need to communicate where we need to bend this particular sheet metal component, under which direction is preferable. I randomly picked one of its particular direction. I'll choose this is the grain direction. We are going to bend this direction itself. We need to bend from this direction itself. If it is a shorter means cut directions will be mostly chosen. Select this edges is the grain directions. Right click by selecting of its edit features only. This particular tool is possible. Now choose this. This is an actual sheet. Pick this component and place it at this location. Once the sheet metal is placed, then change the state into a flat pattern state. After that, what we need to do, just by picking off a bend table, go to the annotations and choose the bend table right now. Selecting this sheet metal, flat sheet metal, and click OK. Look at it. This is what the actual grain direction. We need to bend the sheet metal from this particular directions only. It is feasible for this sheet without creating any kind of an tear formation. Fixed face and the grain directions. This is how we need to pick it properly. What directions we need to choose. If we insert the bend table only, we can easily define it. Otherwise, it is not able to indicate. Okay, thank you.